Okay, so it's day 10. मुझे अभी भी रियलाइज़ नहीं हो रहा है कि मतलब आई कांट फील इट कि इट्स डे 10 बट इट इज़ एंड yep, I'm a little bit happy, I would say. I don't know why I yawn this much while recording videos. Right. So yesterday was a pretty good, I would say. All the teachers were really supportive. They were motivating us to do better. And one thing also which I liked yesterday was my new technique of studying. So yep, I will try to continue it today also. I would name it because as I know that whenever I say something, I then don't do it. And if I don't do it, how can I know if it works or not? So let's not talk about it right now. Maybe some other day. Yeah. Also, so as I was talking yesterday, one of my teacher who teaches us chemistry, he taught me a very good thing, I would say. Uh, he told that you know हम लोग अपनी लाइफ को जब जीते हैं सो वी टेक टू मच ऑफ प्रेशर एंड हमें हर समय रहता है कि अरे ऐसे करो वैसे करो लाइक राइट नाउ व्हाट स्ट्रीम आई हैव चूजन इट वाज चूजन बाय मी किसी और ने मुझे नहीं बोला था कि ज़बरदस्ती मेरे हाथ पर ला कर ये स्ट्रीम पकड़ा दिया it was chosen by me. So if it is hard, then also it was me who is responsible for it. Then who has to work hard for it? Me. I can't blame any teacher or school or my past experiences for the reason that I am not getting marks right now. Secondly, अगर marks खराब भी आ रहे then also live your life fullest. You never know what is happening the next day. आपको थोड़ी पता है कि आप कब तक जीने वाले हो. He said a very great thing. It was a Hindi statement that uh, जिंदगी ऐसे जिया करो कि देख कर दूसरों की जल जाए. And I think that was a great thing because sometimes we get so jealous even at looking at the most simplest people and how they live. And I think that's a very बैड थिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ इफ़ यू थिंक सो क्योंकि मैं एक सिंपल से आदमी के लाइफ को लेकर के ऐसा फील करता हूँ दैट वाई कैंट आई डू दिस वाई कैंट आई बी दैट आई कांट राइट मैंने चूज़ किया इस स्ट्रीम को सो आई हैव टू डू इट सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल राइट नाउ इट्स 7:20 I woke up at around 6:55 and it's currently 8 degree outside. I don't know why the fuck winter has come this late. I mean, I do welcome it. All seasons should come. But why right now? I have tests, not one or two. I have so many tests. I can't even count it on my fingers. Uh, my God, why? I don't know if I should talk about things right now more or should I focus on my right now what I had to study. So yeah, let's decide. But other than that, I think nothing more. Right now, the talks are going about HMPV virus, if I'm naming it correct. Let me see. Yeah. So yeah, some are saying that uh, it is spreading, and it's also spreading from China only this time. So if China gives us New Year celebrations, New Year resolutions that we have to what we have to not buy from which country and from which country nationals we have to be safe from. I guess which country we should not visit for on the New Year. Yeah. So let's see if something happens in the future. time when I will look back at this video, I will see, okay, I predicted the future. Yeah, that is all. Uh, Moreover, right now, I think you have to focus on practicing more questions. You are very slow at practicing it. So yeah, you have to give a little bit more time. And that's all I would say. Nothing special. Yeah, that's for the day. Okay.